While India propagates the notion of establishing a new normal in bilateral relations, our restrained response has reaffirmed that only acceptable norm is respect for sovereignty and territorial integrity. The recent announcement of a Pakistan-India ceasefire is a positive development. We urge India to adhere faithfully to its implementation by friendly countries in facilitating the ceasefire. We also reiterate our support for President Trump's announcement on engaging with Pakistan and India to seek a resolution to the Jammu and Kashmir dispute. Let me clarify. The ceasefire was achieved through facilitation of several friendly nations. Against this backdrop, India's portrayal of Pakistan as acting out of despair and frustration is entirely baseless. The facts speak for themselves. I would like to highlight that Directors General of Military Operations of Pakistan and India have maintained periodic contacts since 10th May 2025. Both sides have agreed on a structured mechanism for phased de-escalation. As a goodwill gesture, Pakistan handed over an Indian Border Security Force constable on 14th May 2025. In return, India released a sepoy of Pakistan Rangers. At a time when international community is actively promoting regional peace and stability, India's rhetoric reflects a persistent tendency to distort facts, justify aggression, and cast unwarranted aspersions on Pakistan's nuclear assets. In contrast, Pakistan as a responsible state remains committed to the ceasefire and to taking necessary steps towards de-escalation and regional stability. Given India's belligerent posture, we call upon our international partners to ensure that India honors its commitments and refrains from further aggression. Should India resume hostilities, Pakistan will have no choice but to respond. In this era, peace is the true strength. The world is not served by theatrical militarism and grandstanding, but by mature leadership, regional cooperation, and respect for international norms. Pakistan is a sovereign nation with resilient institutions, a committed populace, and a globally recognized role in maintaining peace and security. Our commitment to peace must never be mistaken for weakness. Any future aggression will also be met with full resolve. We hope India will prioritize regional stability and the well-being of its citizens over narrow, politically motivated jingoism.